Well, what else would I be doing? Sparking some fuse. Or I guess I should say, what else would Squirrel be doing but sparking some fuse? Gonna spark a wee little bit of festival balls here. Legend Small Festival balls. And Squirrel's down there with the first one ready to go. So, spark it, Squirrel! Nice color.
I heard no letter. I heard. Nobody said Macaulay. You said. That's all I heard. I couldn't remember his name.
Not very big breaks, but it's decent color. Oh, I forgot to mention who I got these from. Got these from the good people at Mazuka Pyrotechnics, Central PA. Thanks, guys. I'll be doing a show with them July 3rd. That was a bigger break, a lower break, but it was a bigger break. And car show going on, should be a good time. Ha ha ha, low break. Yep. I made a post the other day on a Facebook group and I asked if people are getting more malfunctions this year, because I certainly am noticing it a lot more this year. All name brands too, it doesn't even matter what name brands. I'm good for at least one malfunction every demo shoot, so if you have been experiencing the same thing as me, let me know. Not going very high.
Bill Cosby B. William.
How many more, Squirrel? How many more?
I do 100%. It wasn't Danny Glover.
Yeah, I don't think I want any more of these. There you go. It is what it is. I don't know what else to say about that, except for have yourselves a good night, Pyros. Peace out.